Okay, grade 10. Once again, we are going to talk about geometric mean when we are going to insert even like 2, 4 geometric mean in geometric sequence. But before that, let's have a text for the day in 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 57. Says, "But thanks be to God, He gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ." So we are going to have examples of this on the board. Okay. So supposing we have 2 and 16 here, 2 and 16. We are going to insert 2 geometric mean like this. So 2 will become your first term and 16 will be your fourth term. So what you are going to do is to make an equation. A4 will be equals to A1 ratio n minus 1. So we are going to substitute for A4 16, A1 for 2, and we don't know the common ratio. That will be 4 minus 1 is 3. So let's operate. We divide this by 2. We divide it by 2. We cancel. And let's reverse. Will be r cubed will be equals to 8. So take the cube root of both sides. Cube root. So r will be equals to 2. So r equals 2. So we just multiply 2 times 2. That will be 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So these are the geometric mean for this. 2, 4, 8, 16. So that's how to do it. Now let's have another one. 1 and 27. So it will be 1 and then 27. So like before, this will become your fourth term. So it will be 27. A1 is 1 r raised to 3. So understood that r cubed will be equals to 27. Take the cube root again. Cube root. So r will be equals to cube root of 27 is 3. So therefore, the second term will be 3 and times 3 is 9. So here are the geometric mean for this case. Okay, so that's how to do that. We cannot use the multiplication of 2 numbers here because it is even. We can only use that when it is odd. So for example, if we have only 3 terms, so you just multiply that. That will be 81, and the square root of 81 is 9. But in here, we cannot do that. So this is how to do it. So last, we're going to have the last one. 12 and 96, we insert again 2 terms. 96. So first term, fourth term. So 96 will be equal to 12 r, and minus 1 will be 3 again. So we divide this by 12, we divide this by 12. So we cancel 12 there, and that will be 8. So let's reverse again. 3, 8. So take the cube root on both sides. Cube root of both sides. So r will be 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. So therefore, the next term for this is 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. 48 times 2 is 96. So this is just additional for you to have the geometry mean in case that you are asked to have an even geometric means. Thank you.